guys, welcome back to the Teen Song Show with me, Marin.
I'm Maureen.
So today we're going to be doing a video about assumptions people have about us.
And we just want to thank those people who participated in the exercise for giving us your questions and for being engaging with
Well,
us.
not really questions but assumptions.
Yeah.
So without further ado, we're just gonna get into it. The first assumption people have about us, what we were sent, is that we are snobs.
Well, we are not really snobs, and for those of us who know us, mostly we don't usually just like talking to people who we don't know.
Yeah.
So we usually just prefer to keep to ourselves. Nothing of the sort like us being snobs or anything. No.
And it's not just us. I don't know why people, it's always associated to twins, because
yeah.
we have twin friends who tell us that people normally think they're snobs.
Or like yeah, but I mean,
I guess maybe because we come in pairs,
pairs,
so
like
already
we complete each other and we complement each other. So like
yeah, we might not notice the other person beside us.
yeah.
But don't take it personally. We are not snobs. We are actually very friendly people.
Yeah, and if you approach us, we'll always talk to you, so long as you know we don't. Yeah,
We don't have any problem.
Yeah.
Anyway, the next assumption people have about us is that being twins with so much in common, you will fall for one guy.
Oh well.
No, it's a no for me.
Well, that time I wouldn't fall for the same guy as her, and if I did, I wouldn't marry the same guy as her. Mostly, us we prefer to marry twins if it's possible.
Yeah, and
But
we normally say if we fall for the same guy, because I don't know, the same, we're like maybe attracted to similar attributes. So if
yeah,
that
because they are
happens,
twins.
yeah, we will leave it to the guy. I don't know if we live in a dreamland, but we leave it to the guy to choose whomever he wants. But both of us,
Marrying the same person is a no.
yeah. The next assumption, we were saying that you will have your wedding on the same day. No.
Well, she minds, but I don't mind. Actually, to be quite honest with you, me, I'm fine either way. So it's on the same day, on separate days. I don't give a. You know, it's okay with me.
Well, personally, I feel like having a wedding on the same day, I feel like that day is normally for the bride and the groom, and if there's two of them, attention is going to be divided, and I wouldn't want that. I want on her day, I want to cater to her, you know, I want to take care of her, and on my day, the same thing to happen. But I feel like if both of us have it on the same day, it's gonna be kind of like competitive. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway,
yeah, I'm fine either way.
okay, moving forward. You think alike.
Most of the time, yeah, we do think alike, because like literally we were womb mates, and we've grown together. Like
We were born together, we share the same, almost like sad, the Lou in me is trying to jump out. Anyway, we share the same, I don't know, ideologies, you know, we're too much similar, so thinking alike, sometimes
It's
we might finish each other,
inevitable.
it's inevitable, we might finish each other's sentences, you know, but
Yeah.
I don't know, for me, we are used to it.
Yeah, we're used to it. So anyway,
Okay, the next assumption, you have the same friends.
Obviously.
Of course.
obviously
Of
we do
course.
have the same friends, and if for those of you who know us, we use the same phone actually. Yeah.
Imagine that. So
And some people find it very, what is it called?
weird.
But it's not.
We're used to it, like having the same circle, like we're always ever together. So having
like
separate
just-
friends,
yeah,
how would that
just-
happen unless we're separated?
Yeah, and also if we had different phones and we have the same numbers of the same people or of our same friends in different phones, it's like talking to the same person twice.
Yeah.
So we just rather talk to them with one phone, you know, it doesn't matter, you know.
The next assumption people have of us, when one is suffering, the other one feels it.
Obviously, like even aside from us twins, even with singletons, you wouldn't want your brother to be hurt or anything
And
like that.
you don't feel anything unless you're a psychopath.
Yeah, so I think with us twins, it's just intensified than singletons, but nobody would want to see their siblings suffer.
So the next assumption, I like this. Someone says you'll never separate.
Heck
Of
no.
course, we won't ever separate. We've
Never
never
separate.
separated our whole life. We were raised together. Everything
Yeah.
we did together.
Yeah.
Whenever there was one incident we separated and major anxiety. We had major anxiety.
I almost
Everything was
lost my
work.
mind. Yeah, like we work better together than apart. So, and that's just how it's gonna be till we die.
Yeah. So the last but not least, someone said you don't argue.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't argue? It might seem like it, but nothing ever. Like I don't know. every sibling argues. You know, disagreements are always bound to happen where there's a crowd of two and more people, you know, and two is a crowd already, so we don't always agree on everything, you know.
I think the only thing that I can say on the matter is the reason why twins seem to not argue as much as singletons is that us we reconcile much faster than singletons, you know. Yeah, so but arguing, everybody argues, like, you know, who doesn't argue?
For sure, man. So anyway, we want to thank you so much for participating in this exercise. And if you've not subscribed, I'd like to kindly ask you to please hit the red button below, and
You can also hit the notification button, is
Just
the bell
beside
button,
it.
just beside it, so that you can know when we're releasing our next videos.
and also leave a comment, please. We'd like to know what you think about all this,
All
and if
this.
there's something maybe you wanted to share and you didn't, you still can leave it on the comment section.
You answer the question, and plus we want to know, you know, to feel your presence when you're watching, not just be ghost watchers there. Just drop a comment so that you can know you're behind the screens watching. And please, thank you so much for the support anyways, and see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.